#1 channel, all things blue collar. I'm out of town. I'm in the hotel room. I'm trying to do some editing. I like to try to get a video out every Wednesday about 5:30, just to showcase what we're doing and show some new videos. We've been very busy. We've been blessed to have lots of work, and everybody's been kind of scattered everywhere. And it's been hard to get the any videos, get the drones up in the air, and kind of show anything. But we are on this really cool job. This week we're actually loading everything up. But I want to get that video edited and really kind of get a good video, because I'm real proud of this job. It's probably, I'll say, not probably, it is the biggest crane lift that I've ever been involved in. One piece of it, this big stacker conveyor, weighed 165,000 pounds. We used 2 cranes to pick it up and set it down. So I'm just going to give you a little teaser of that while I finish editing this one and get something out there to you. So watch this teaser. This will be coming up really soon. Thank y'all for watching, commenting, subscribing, all that fun stuff. And I'm not going to drag up, but I'm going to roll on up out of here and get to editing. Peace.